Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio. Today we are going to review the account of Mark-Olex. He joined our funded trader program at the end of October on the 27th, and he hit his first 10% target on the 17th of November. Let's have a look at his equity line. First thing I want to highlight is how Mark-Olex never went in negative territory, so very good and very well done. He had straight away a good start. In fact, we can see here he passed in the first few days to go on 1.71 positive on his account. Then here on in the beginning of November, it was up by almost 3%. Then very few good trades basically took him to almost hit his target on the 11th of November. It was up by 9.31%. Then something happened. He had a little pullback here, we can see. And on the 17th, he hit his first 10% target. So first of all, congratulations. And now let's have a look at the statistics. We can see an average daily return of 0.18%, which is good. Monthly, on average, 5.47%, and a drawdown of 4.34%. Very good, but still it never went negative, never went below the 15k. Let's have a look at the advanced statistics. We can see how he took 144 positions with a profitability rate of just 38%. But let's have a look at his average win and his average loss, because that will explain his profitability for us. And in fact, if we have a look at his average win, it is almost 27 pips, while his average loss is just 12 pips. So this is exactly what I was talking about. When he win big, and when he lose small basically. He cut his losing position short. And let's have a look at the summary as well to see on which pair he focused most on this 144 position that he took. Let's see. We can see here 10 position opened on the Swiss franc yen. He gained 127 pips, resulting in $311. Here, 200 pips gained with 9 position on the Aussie yen, and he realized $763. And also, what can we highlight here? Yes, 130 pips on his 11 position on the EuroCAD, and as well here 74 pips on his 7 positions on the New Zealand CAD. He gained more than 200 euros on that. Let's also have a look at the negative side though. We can see here 109 pips lost on the pound Aussie, 9 position on the pound Aussie. He lost almost 400 pounds. And also here, 4 positions lost on the CAD yen, more than 100 pips, resulting in a loss of $370. Okay, let's have a look at the history of his account. Let's go back to the first page when he joined on the 27th of October. In the beginning, he was keeping his lot size not at full maximum, not at full potential for the for what basically was available for him and the size of his account. And in fact, we can see 0.2, 0.25, 0.4. So it didn't went like full lot straight away, or maybe it was just dividing his positions. And yes, we can see here how on the 18th of November he hit his first 10% target with us, and now of course is keeping trading. Let's have a look at the average trade length, 5 hours and 32 minutes. Let's have a look at the scatter plot. Okay, so we can see how, yes, the majority of his position were held for less than 5 hours. and then we can see also a good number of positions held for longer. Well, we see here a few red dots, but again, we want to remember that we saw here that his profitability rate was just 38%, and this is why we see a lot of red on the scatter plot. But what is important to highlight is the scale, because as we can see, his profitable trades were definitely very profitable, while his losing trades were like almost, slightly more than 1% loss. Everything was around the 0%. So yeah, it was managing to not lose too much basically, and let the profitable ones run for longer, and of course for higher results. Okay, Mark-Olex, very well done. Congratulations on your first target, and we look forward to do the second review for your account as well.